we need to discuss about what all things have happened with this country, unfortunately, in the name of borrowing the templates from foreign nations, despite knowing it that the level of state advancement which our ancestors had achieved, that we not just chose to ignore what they had achieved, we pushed the entire generations of people into adopting formats and designs which were ill defined, ill destined, and imposed not just on our people, but we seem to have learned to celebrate those models not just by insulting what was ours, but taking pride in insulting what was ours. So that's altogether another level of colonization. Well, the British might have left in 1947. Those formats still continue to colonize the people. So much so that any new theories that come up in any domains come up with the same traces of colonization over and over again. In the last 2 days, what I've seen of Bangalore, even in the previous visit, and what I see people talking about the city, you clearly understand traces of what is lost in this city. I just now came to know 2,000 lakes. 2,000 lakes, and these were interconnected lakes. And the city never had any kind of a water related matter. Now, when you go to the root of this, you come to know an entire bunch and generation of architects and design people. You imagine the amount of colonization that they would have had, that instead of looking at what our temperature is, what our climate is, what the water flows are, what the animals need, what the birds need, where will our food supply come from, without calculating any of these, they just simply cut, copy, pasted straight buildings and imposed onto the city. And when they face the outcome of this, what I call as an Abrahamic economic model, when they face the outcome, an entire gang of climate activists will come up. अब बहुत ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो गया है, बहुत क्लाइमेट पोल्यूट हो रहा है. Then an entire gang of animal rights activists will come up. Then an entire gang of food related activists will come up. So when you see this dissections of how capitalism has influenced the way we operate, and when the effects of this extreme capitalism trickle down to our life, then the entire gangs of communism will come up as a victim of this extreme capitalism. While we completely ignore the Sanatan economics model of how we should be going about with our things. So when you build something, when our ancestors built something, what were the calculations they were doing? from astrology to the Vedic science, Vastu Shastra, making it sure that any kind of human activity that we do does not harm any of the natural flows, be it of water, be it of food supply, be it of mineral supply, be it animal kingdom, all kinds of living beings. And then we plant something for ourselves. That is the Sanatan economics model of architecture. That all that nature has provided to us, all those elements have to work in favor of us without us damaging or injuring them. This is the Sanatan economics model. Now, what is the kind of architecture? What we are doing is, despite the fact that we do not have any sunlight issue, we are just copy pasting those glass buildings. And when you enter those glass buildings, very surprising, it's completely AC. But it's locked from every side. These buildings are locked, choked from every single side. And then there are all kinds of patients coming out of it, with different kinds of issues. And an entire industry built out of those mental health and physical health patients. After keeping yourself stuck within completely closed buildings for 10 hours a day, and then you are surprised why you are a patient. There's no ventilation of air, no ventilation, no sunlight, nothing. So when you see this things happening, this is just about architecture. You think about the domain of law. And people would agree what is happening with the judiciary in the country. In fact, what judiciary is doing with the country, to be precise. Instead of country doing to the judiciary what judiciary is doing to the country. And this is the land where law and justice used to be instant. And it used to be so effective that this was the only civilization which was the least crime people. Not just because of dharma, but also the way that justice was being delivered with that ancient Bharat model. And those used to be people who were groomed right from young age with those dharmic values. Right? No amount of technology, no amount of education can solve the matter of crimes. Because unless and until the human being is built with those dharmic values, there will be misuse of all kinds of power that people get. So it is the prime responsibility of this country to see to it that we maintain the ancient Bharat parenting model. And I've been speaking on and off on my videos about how parenting should be. And it is very surprising with the kind of concepts that are running among the youngsters, especially when you see those Instagram reels. What kind of future this country has with this kind of parenting that is to come. Imagine girls making this kind of Instagram reels just for views tomorrow when her children are going to see those reels. What do you think will be the outcome? In the name of whatever the freedom that you talk about, you imagine Chhatrapati Shivaji or Rani Lakshmi Bai watching this generation's Instagram reels. Just imagine. He'll take out his sword. and he will wonder, should he even fight the invaders? This is the level of freedoms that people want to enjoy in the next generation, where the parents are totally clueless where their children are. And some of them have no clue whether they want to have children, don't want to have children, what exactly they want to do. They want to live with a dog or a cat. Because the poor thing cannot speak your language. You're not bound by any law. You got the money, you bought the animal. You feel you will feed it when you like. You lock the animal when you like. Just because you got money to buy it. You got money to buy a living animal. Because you're not able to do with humans anymore. Because he speaks your language. Well, if that is the only issue which is stopping the sustainability of marriages, then I have to suggest Russian girls or Japanese girls, if language is the issue. हाँ, समझ में आ रहा है language? If that is the problem why marriages are not continuing, let's bring someone who doesn't know your language. हाँ, आधा टाइम लैंग्वेज समझने में जाएगा तो मैटर प्रॉब्लम नहीं. There is no problem. ठीक है, पहले तो लैंग्वेज ही डिकोड करते रहेंगे आधे टाइम. फाइटिंग का स्कोप ही नहीं. बेटर देन अ डॉग एंड अ कैट.